Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download CapCut in your PC. So to download CapCut in your PC, head over to Google Chrome and type in CapCut.com and press in download for PC. Now wait for the application to be downloaded. After it's done, go to your downloaded file and click on continue and agree button. And now click on install button. Wait for the application to be installed on your PC. It will take few minutes. After it's downloaded, you will see the option start. So you are good to go now. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.